Using budgeting to unlock big goals isn't just about cutting back or saving pennies. It's about designing a clear path so your money works for you and not the other way around. If you stick around, I'm going to share a critical mindset shift that most budgeting videos leave out, and it could be the difference between hitting your big goals or getting stuck in the same place. Let's get into it. The first thing to understand is budgeting is not about restriction. It's about clarity. When you track every dollar, you gain a bird's eye view of your finances. That means no surprises, no "where did my money go?" moments. From my years working with clients and reviewing financial plans, clarity alone reduces stress and makes decision-making faster and smarter. But here's where many people go wrong. They treat budgeting like a one-time chore or a boring spreadsheet. Instead, think of it as a dynamic tool that helps you prioritize what really matters. When you know exactly how much you earn, spend, and save, you can funnel more resources toward those big goals, whether it's buying a home, starting a business, or traveling the world. Now, a big secret few mention: your budget should be goal-driven, not expense-driven. That means before allocating money anywhere, you define the outcome you want. I learned this early in my career when a client was stuck saving small amounts with no real plan. We flipped the script, set a clear target, then reverse-engineered the budget to serve that target. The difference was night and day. Here's what you do. Pick a big goal, break it down into monthly or weekly milestones, then use your budget to make sure your spending aligns with those milestones. Every dollar should have a job connected to your goal, or it gets cut or redirected. Another powerful move is automating your budget. When I first started, I spent hours manually adjusting budgets, but technology now lets you automate savings, bill payments, and even adjust spending limits. This reduces friction and keeps you consistent without feeling overwhelmed. If you're serious about unlocking big goals, automation is your best friend. One more thing, don't forget to build flexibility into your budget. Life happens, and budgets that are too rigid fail quickly. Create a buffer for unexpected expenses or opportunities. Flexibility keeps you motivated and prevents burnout. Before I finish, remember that budgeting isn't just math, it's psychology. Your brain needs to see progress, so celebrate the small wins. Did you save an extra $50 this week? That's momentum. Did you cut an unnecessary subscription? That's control. These victories keep the fire alive to chase bigger goals. If you take away just one thing, it's this: a goal-driven budget makes your money an active tool for change, not just a passive tracker of past spending. If you found this helpful and want content that isn't filled with hidden affiliate commissions or biased advice, hit subscribe. I'm here to give you real, actionable strategies to unlock your financial potential. Thanks for watching.